Hey guys, so I went to Tuesday morning for the very first time ever, and oh my word, this is my haul from there. And let me say, it is a crafter's paradise. So I did not have any plan of getting all this stuff, it just kind of worked out. There were some really good deals. I'm going to go through and show you what I got, but first of all, I wanted to show you about some of the deals that I was really thrilled about. This is a tag punch board. I got it for $7.49, and they were like $20 over at Michael's when I went over there. So I was thrilled to get that good of a deal. And then this next one is an envelope punch board. Again, this one was 20 something bucks over at Michael's. So that is my killer steals that I was thrilled to get. And I ended up getting some punches. I don't have very many punches, but I liked, I want to get some of these because it makes to where you can make multiple embellishments over and over again without having to re-buy new die cuts every single time you use them. So that's the tools that I got. I did also get my son's peak flow meter for his asthma. I did get some of these because I like making little mini tag books and stuff. So there was 12 rings for $1.99. So that wasn't too bad. So I picked up 2 packs of those. That's all they had. I'll go through first of all the I guess the stamps. I have not got a lot of stamps in my stash because I have just not used them in the past. But now that I'm going to be creating embellishments for different books and whatnot, I thought that this was one of the best ways that I can make use of paper and having some embellishments to reuse over and over. So I got this one for Halloween. I got this cute little one for Christmas. I love the little owls. Got this one. I'm thrilled about that deer stamp. And I got this one. I just love the look of that. I think it's cool looking. The cardinal and right here's a fall one. It's kind of got some jack-o'-lanterns in it too, so it can double it for Halloween. I loved this. I am curious though as to how well the butterfly is going to stamp with there being so much there. So that will be interesting to see. I got another Halloween one. I hope that skeleton stamps well. And then I got this one with birds and some botanicals on it. So I didn't think that was too bad. $2.99 for some stamps. Good mini stamps. So not bad. I was disappointed though that they didn't have more Christmas stuff. They had a lot of like napkins and gift tags and ribbon and tissue paper, but they didn't have a lot of like cutouts, die cuts, anything like that. I picked up this one. It has 40 snowflakes in it, and I don't know if you can see, but they're really shimmery. So I was thrilled to get that. And then this little pack of 26 gift tags. They look more like little embellishment pieces to me than they do tags because they're really tiny. I can't write that small. So that's the only Christmas stuff that I was able to pick up there besides napkins, and I will show you the napkins here in a minute. So I'm going to flip through really quick and let you see the die cuts. I was thrilled with the die cut packs because the majority of them were like $1.99, and there was like 40 or 60 in the pack. So I was thrilled with that. My son wanted these. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a map on a tag. He'll not use it, but anyway. So I got these cute little ones. It started pouring the rain all of a sudden here. There's one for travel. And each one of these little packs that I got, they had papers that would match it. So I felt like I walked away with a really good amount of stuff that I can use together to create complete journals or signatures for books. Another one. I love the butterflies in that one. This one is beautiful. Look at all them butterflies. And that little deer, that's cute. Another one of these. I think I got 2 of these. Love the owls in that one. That's cute. Kind of a vintage look to it. I'm going to an estate sale this weekend, so I'm hoping to get some antique stuff that I can use. I'll post a video of that if I do get some good stuff. Love the birds and that one and the butterflies. So that's all the die cuts that I ended up getting. I didn't get but one sticker sheet. And I love this. Had owls, again, birds. It went along with everything that I got. So that's a good mini stickers, I thought. And then I got these leaves. They were really cute. 40 of those for $2.99. Alright, so I got washi tape. This is Christmas washi, so I was glad to get it. Let's see. It's really cute. Got this thing of washi for $3.99. I thought that would go good with the botanical journals. And here's one for travel. I thought was really cute. So, got that. And then I got one thing of note cards. I loved these. Look how pretty they are. They've got the Japanese writing on them and the botanicals. And even the envelopes are gorgeous. So, I'm just looking forward to using it. I don't even know how much that was. It didn't even have a price tag on it. Okay, then I got these little die cut things. They're more like cardboard. They're very thick. I have never tried these in a journal before, but I'm guessing it'll work. If not, I didn't get too many of them, so it won't be a complete waste, and I'll find another way to use them. But I got one for Halloween. I love this fall one. I have still not made my November daily journal, and here it is, October the 30th. So that's what I'm going to be working on tomorrow. Another Halloween die cuts, and this fall pack, which is really cute. It's double-sided papers, but it's got die cuts in it too. But I plan on cutting them apart and using those little individual cards. So it says 12 double-sided papers, 12 element stickers. Yeah, so that will be used in my November daily book. I gotta start tomorrow. Okay, these are cute little envelopes. There were 8 of these. With a little twist tie, so I thought that would be perfect to go in a journal. Okay, so that's all of this stuff. And I still apologize for the shaky camera. I've still not got a thing to put my tablet in when I record. Okay, so I love Project Life task cards or Project Life cards. So these kits were $1.99 for 40 cards, and I bought every one of them that they had in the store left. So this is 4th of July. This one is, I don't even know. Oh, it's a little, like, kitty stuff, it looks like. Those are cute. Yeah, cat, mouse, cat food. I don't know. Maybe a good cute animal journal. Another nautical kind of 4th of July one. A cute travel one. That one had 60 in it. That's a good deal. That's really cute. Another 4th of July one. And another, Father's Day one. Well, that's going to be a really cute journal. I told you I didn't even look. I just grabbed all they had. Okay, these little things are die cuts too. I think they were like some kind of calendar deal. But I was thrilled to get these for $3.99 because I went over to Michael's and they still had them for almost $5 for these little kits. So I bought one of each one they had in the store. So they had that one and this one and that one. Because you can't ever have too many things to create embellishments with. Okay, so paper. They had mini paper packs. I grabbed this one because I thought it was cute. It had Java coffee tea stuff on there. That would make a cool journal. This one is really girly, shimmery. I can't wait to use that one. Another one that's kind of got a fall floral feel. And then a travel one. 24 sheets of double-sided. That's not bad. Okay, all of these I was thrilled to get. These were $6.99 for a pack. And it's really thick paper, double-sided. So this will be awesome for signatures in my journals. So I ended up getting, I have been really low on paper. So I got a ton. And then when I went to Michael's afterwards in Hobby Lobby, I got even more. So I'm stocked up on paper for a while. So I got that pack, the travel pack, this pretty pink color floral thing. And I love this. Look at this paper right here. there's a little bird thing in it. And then the Paris one. It's really cute. And I got some napkins that is going to go amazing with this. So I want to do some decoupaging on paper. But there's one that has a butterfly on it. There's one that has a train. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Birds. Okay, this one is another World Traveler one. I think this goes with this really well. I think it is actually the same paper pack. It is, except this is just the small one. So that will go good together for a journal. I loved this one. Family. That would really be a cute, like, genealogy book. This one's pretty and bright. It would be a good spring. This one's pretty. It's just a very faint pastel one. Got birds on it. Is that my camera will focus? Oh, a horse, a cowboy. Yeah, so it's a cute pack. And this one, Ruby. Another one with birds on it. Can you tell I like birds? Yep. Who doesn't like birds? And then this one, that's tight paper. And I thought that was really cool how they've cut it apart and used it. So I'm hoping to be able to cut these apart and kind of stick those together. Okay, so that's the paper. Now, for the napkins, I'm going to walk around the table. I fell in love with the napkins, and I went a little bit crazy. But they're gorgeous. Look at that. Sunflowers, more sunflowers. These botanicals is beautiful, and it's got hummingbirds on it. My weakness. Loved these. And this was a Christmas one. I thought it looked like a Christmas sweater. So I loved that. Let's stick all these back up. Alright, this one is another fall one. Really pretty. Botanical. Another sunflower. More botanicals. Flamingo. I am into flamingos lately, and I don't even know why, but I think that would make a gorgeous journal. And this one with March flowers on it. And butterflies. I think it's beautiful. Okay, this one is so bright and pretty, and it had butterflies on it too. So botanical. This one had birds and stuff on it. I thought that would be cute if you cut each element out separately and just glued it directly on a piece of paper. I think that would look beautiful, and then stamped around it to make it look aged. Butterflies. This one is another pretty botanical. It looks like a wisteria. And this one had birds on it and bird nests and apples. It's really pretty. Okay, so got more for the beach. Flamingo. Holy cow, everything's falling. Another one of these. Oops. Oh, it's a different. That's a long napkin. That is gorgeous. Look at that. It's got some fall look and like a spring look to it. And more hummingbirds. Okay, so then I got this one that has, it's got crabs on it too. Shells. This one. Magnolia. And there's that Paris one I told you would go good with the paper earlier. Look at this one. Is that not pretty? And then there's this Christmas one. And one more Christmas one. It's got holly on it. Yeah. Those will look gorgeous in my Christmas journals. Okay. So this one had dragonflies on it. It's kind of a fall. Look, this one is too cool. Tons of color. That will go good with that paper that I told you was really sparkly and pretty. Olive trees. I got this one for my Bible journal. I think that's, yeah, olive grove. Yep. I thought it was olives when I bought it. There's some cool things in the Bible about olives. Okay, there's a bumblebee on flowers. More butterflies. Beautiful mums. And this one. Who doesn't love pineapples? All things pineapple. And more beautiful butterflies. this pretty bird. It kind of looks similar to that small one over there, but the birds are much bigger. So even if I just cut the little bird out and glue it down, it would be cute. So there you go, my kids. I was telling them, pull me away, but at the same time, it was such good deals. I didn't want to leave it behind. So the Tuesday morning cashier said that there was a lot of people that come in there and just bulk buy stuff like this. And she said that they do YouTube and create journals and stuff too. So maybe I'll run into someone when I'm shopping next time. So I also went to Michael's today and Hobby Lobby. So stay tuned for those videos and we'll look at what I got in there.